Hi, Kim told me to smile, so here I am smiling. I just wanted to share, it's just me, the chief elf at the Snowman factory, but I wanted to just share some of our favorite things with you. It's hard to believe that the first week of December begins on Friday, so we're down to the countdown, but we're still making beautiful things. Here we have some lovely, some canoes, a little fairy in her canoe driven by a reindeer. Who ever heard of that? And these little guys are so pretty for a fireplace or centerpiece. Oh, and don't forget the mistletoe, most important. Silver is so popular, elegant, and our swans. Stocking holders, and we have lots of stockings. How about a teddy bear? Just sweet. And is this not really special? The truck, driven by two crazy little piglets and a dog. Mice, so much fun. More stockings. We have lots of fun stockings for you. And gingerbread. Look at this gingerbread sleigh. So much fun. Snowman. Gingerbread houses that light up and show different colors. Snowman. More snowman. Lots of them. A gingerbread train. Teddy bears. A train done by our own local artist, handcrafted. Houses. Sets of boxes. Perfect to put on your fireplace on the ground level or on your mantle. Carolers, table runners, cushions, lanterns. Is there anything that we don't have? A sled, how fun is that at your front door? Or as a table piece? And Innis, don't forget when you're doing your stocking stuffers, Innis is so fantastic. And we've got the body scrub, the body lotions, the hand creams, the soaps, and they make perfect gifts, and they're not bad to keep for yourself too. And I just wanted to share with you, this is one of my favorite corners. Look at this little chair with the mouse and the little pink lady. Merry Christmas. The pink elf. Or the little elf. And one of our absolutely favorite pieces, one of only, our little pink elf on a bike. Father Christmas. Lots of little characters that are so much fun. Oh, and what about these crazy guys? And then this room, more pretty things. How about a little mouse with his drum on his sled, all ready to play for you for Christmas. More snowman, stocking holders. How about Santa on a bike? Mr. and Mrs. Claus, lanterns and sleighs. How about this? They're decorating the tree. Madam Mouse on the top. So there you have most of it. And I just wanted to show you Megan's Fairy. Our quantities are getting down with the fairies, but we still have a few left, so we would love to see you with Megan's. So there you have it. Another silly little video, but hopefully it gives you an idea of what we have. Come and see us, and as I always say, we love to see you. You don't necessarily have to buy anything. Merry Christmas.